Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be making some Future 360 for class. We're going to be making this thing. Anyways, let's get started. So first, what I always like to do for things, especially if we already have the dimensions, is just put out the dimensions and parameters, because it's way easier to do that instead of just like typing them in manually, because you already have the dimensions. So for example, this thing's height, the entire height is 2.5. However, we're not going to be using that dimension. As it not a cube, it is a has multiple different faces that need different cullings. So the actual height of this thing is going to be 1.4. So we're going to put in height to angle 1.4. It's in inches. And the reason why it's height to angle is because if you look, it is the angle is going to be here, but the height to the angle is going to be 1.4. Now, Anyways, um, anyways, so now what we're gonna do is actually, so, yeah. So this is gonna be the width of the top, which is gonna be 1.25, and then the width at the bottom is 2.5, right? What is the width at the bottom? 2.5. 2.50. That's a negative. 2.50 width bottom down. Bottom. And then our edge slopes are 0.63, so edge slope. Excuse me. And then our length of the base, so length base is going to be 5. Our slope to the angle is going to be 1.6. 1.86. And then our diameter is going to be 1. Our midpoint, so from base to midpoint, base to midpoint is going to be 1.25. No, 1.29. Yeah. And then same thing, it's square on both sides. .11, so top height is going to be 1.1. That should be all the measurements we need according to this. By the way, the reason why I sat inside for like 10 minutes was because I was trying to figure out whether the .70 and the 1.4 really did mean anything, because it didn't really make any sense. But we're just going to go ahead and model now. So we're going to create a rectangle. We're going to put it here. So width, bottom, width, bottom, and then weight. Actually, that's wrong. This is length of the base. This is width, bottom. And then we're going to go press finish sketch. We're going to extrude. And then we're going to extrude it to the height. Height. Which is height to angle 1.4. And then once we finish that, we're going to actually create a new sketch. And it's going to be on top of this one. It's going to be another rectangle. However, we actually can't create the rectangle just yet. What we're going to do is we're going to create 2 parallel things, as we said before. Edge slope. And then another one. Edge slope. And then we're going to create one more, because this is going to be the one that goes all the way from here to here. And that's going to be our slope to bottom. And the reason why we did this is because we want to here, and now we can put in our width at the top. Length. I did not put in the right parameter, so we're gonna go width top. That should match up there. What did I not put in? Length, which is going to be 1.86 minus 5. So 5 minus 1.86, which is 3.14. So we're going to click back in. Ooh. Equal sign. No! Alright, hold on. Let's see if we can do this without messing anything up. Okay, that's going to be that sketch. We're going to add a new parameter called length top. That's going to be 3.14. Okay. And then we're going to do this again. So, length top, and then switch width top. Click enter. Yeah. Now we're going to extrude this, and we're going to say height top. Okay. Now, yep. That's pretty much as far as I got in class. Dang. I gotta rotate it. And then for this, we want to create a loft between these two objects. So what we're gonna do, view mode doesn't look right. We're gonna have to change it to perspective. Ooh, 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 look at that. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that looks a little better. Anyways, perspective view. So, no, we're not doing revolve. We're doing loft, but before we do loft, we need to define rails. But actually, it should be fine. So we're gonna create a loft between this object and new body bed, new body bed, new body bed, new body bed. There. New body bud. New body bud. Oh, brother. Here. Let's do cancel. And then we're going to create a new sketch and just put down a line. Ooh, that is bad. Hold on. I actually do not like that. There we go. We're going to put down a new line here. So we should be able to reference this. Yep. Finish sketch. Now, hopefully it's on the right plane. It is. Perfect. Okay, so now we actually have a good amount of loft between this object and this object. Oh, brother. I actually cannot see what's going on there. Yeah, but like, I mean, no. Okay, my bad. tangent edges, keep tangent closed, join new body. New body bar, ding ding, new body bar, ding ding. Cuts, join. I could to fix that, because that should be an easy fix. All I have to do is go back here, and then we're going to create a new sketch, and we're going to create the sketch here. And then we can go, damn. Oh my gosh, I swear. Anyways, coincidence. Yeah, finish the sketch because it's not working. Delete that. Okay. New body bar, ding ding, new body bar. So, how about this? See, this is why Fusion hates me. Just, I can't create sketches. Oh, well, actually, modify this one. Right. Yeah, okay. Here, from this point to here. Now, do the same thing on the other side. From here, this point to here. Hopefully that's on the right plane, which it is. So this should actually work. So if we go to loft, and then we press these two things, and we do new body, ding ding, new body, sorry. Yeah, that is exactly what I wanted. Too easy. Now, we do the same thing for this. So we're gonna go loft, boom, boom, new body. Oh, whoa! Stop that. That's interesting. It should know the difference. Huh. It's ignoring this line here. It's probably actually because the line isn't a line anymore. It's a part of a new body bar. New body bar. New body bar. So let's try creating two lines again. Hopefully they're on the same plane. Finish, please. Yep. Okay. So, yeah. No, no hole. We're not creating holes. Stop it. Okay, loft. Boom, boom. Yes. Exactly what I wanted. New body. We should do join or new body. New body, bud. New body, bud. Yeah, new body looks better. So, loft. Boom. I see us right now. We're gonna have to create a new sketch again. So many new sketches. Just to do the same thing. Finish sketch. And then loft. Boom, boom. New body, class. Class action lawsuit. I don't know why it's not open. Okay. See, yeah. Wait, oh. Oh, what is that looking at? I just realized. Is that the back or the front? Because it only should be visible from the back, or from the front. So what is this exactly looking at? Is it looking at a view where the cylinder is completely, like, towards the camera? Because usually the cylinder is like, but is it like that? I see you or some. I wonder what the angle is. The angle looks like 45 degrees. And we don't get any other measurements to enact that, so I'm gonna say it's 45 degrees. Okay. So we're gonna go back here. Go to the other way. Oh my days. Okay, and then we're gonna create a new sketch, and it's gonna be on this geometry, and then it's gonna be a center diameter circle. We're gonna have to create a line first. And it's gonna go. It should be 1.86. 1.86 divided by 2 is 0.93. So we're just gonna go 0.93, and then that's gonna be our. Is it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Here. Um. It's a good question. How like 1.25? So it's gonna be okay. So we're gonna just go back to midpoint here. We're gonna say 1.25. Whoa. Don't say it. We're just gonna. Yeah. We're gonna set this operation to cut because we're gonna send it through. And it's simpler just to do this. So, two object, two plane kind of there. Oh my goodness. uh, yeah. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Anyways, that's it for today's video. We're just making some things. That's pretty much my object. Front, left view, top down view. Okay, that's uh pretty much my object. So we'll come back to the next video. So I'll see you later.